Today I'll show you guys about Lexus and where the fuse box location on this Lexus. Okay, let's get inside. First I'll show you the OBD port. To get to OBD port, it's right on the steering wheel. It's right in here. That's OBD port. If you need to plug in the scanner or the computer, it's right here. And the first fuse box location also under the steering wheel, and it will be right in here. What you want to do is just pull on this, take it off, just pull it off just like that, and this comes off, and that's where the fuses are at, and they're right in here. The location of them is on this thing. To put it back on, you just line this up and just click it, and there you go. That's the first one. The second one will be under the hood. To open the hood, it's right here. So to open it, there's like a little latch in here. Latch. It's right here. The second fuse box is right in here. To open it, you just press it, and that comes off. Location is right in here, and that's the tool to grab the fuses. And there's all the fuses right here. To close it, you just line it up, which goes this way, and there you go. That's the second one. So that's two fuse box location. And then there's a third one, but it's more like a relay box. It says right here on it. Right on this side, you just pull this up, and that opens two relays there. And it says what it's for. One's for heater, one for DRL. Number 3. To close it, same way. And there you go. And I think this is it for this one. If there's more, comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.